that thing will last you for like
$500.
yeah, he got his. He's like about the same distance from the Miranda airfield, and he was in a country. I was thinking about things times I want to. He got tired.
I got used time. I went to God, so I know.
Thank you,
I got used time for the bar band.
So he was just like, hopefully I'll bring that I hope ever. It has to be both. Yeah, and that's
That's why I'm about to look at my car right now. I'm hoping I come across it.
Free one. No love. Yeah, I looked them up online. Yeah, they have two versions.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Never touch the cheese cup.
And the only difference is the head